Hi, story buddies. Today we are going to learn opposites with our very own Peppa Pig. Up and down. After a good night's sleep, Peppa and George wake up to a lovely sunny day. Night, day. We are going on a picnic today, says Peppa. Oh dear, George can't find Mr. Dinosaur. Don't be sad, George, says Peppa. I'll help you look for him. Sad, happy. Here he is. Now Mr. Dinosaur can come too. George is happy. Peppa and George are getting their picnic ready. Let's fill the basket with fruit, cakes, and sandwiches, says Mummy Pig. Empty, full, closed, open. Don't forget the drinks, Mummy, says Peppa. On the way to the picnic spot, they see some ducks. Peppa and George are on their scooters. They are going very fast. Quack, quack, big, small. Fast, slow. Daddy Pig is going slow. Wait for me, calls Daddy Pig. While Peppa Pig and Daddy Pig have fun on the seesaw, George and Mummy Pig are eating their picnic. Up, down. Everyone is hungry, even the birds. Short, long. Look at that dark cloud, says Mummy Pig. I think it's going to rain. Light, dark. Sunny, rainy. Mummy Pig is right. It's a lovely day for ducks, says Daddy Pig. And for jumping in muddy puddles, says Peppa. Come back next time for more such storybooks and fun time. Bye.